What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So this company, I do not know how to pronounce the name, so I'm not going to butcher it, okay? They did send me this wig to, try out, and I just want to show you guys what it's hitting for. They did send me the wig and a wig cap, alright? It's just plain and simple, and they got to the point, alright? So this wig is a 6-inch deep parting curly bob. I think it's more of a wavy than a curly. It is 12 inches, 150 density. It does have 3 combs, 1 big comb in the back. I do like the 6-inch parting space because you could do a lot with that. The lace is medium brown and the cap is medium. It did fit me a bit snug, I would say. My head size is a 22.5, so if you are a 22.5 or bigger, you should definitely request a large cap from this company. They did send the wig with the knots bleached, that's a plus, and the lace, and the frontal hairline was plucked as well, so I did not have to do none of that, which is really good for, especially beginners. So I just want to show you guys how I installed this and put it on. So today my makeup was already done and I was tired of using glue, so I just decided to go the got-to-be route. So I am putting some foundation on my cap, okay? So this is the Ruby Kisses in the number 15, and I'm taking the one of the warm colors that's in there, and I'm just placing it on my cap so you really can't see it underneath, and it blends in a little better because that thick line right there in the front of my hairline definitely will show. So I'm just going to put some makeup on that, and then we're going to go into the got-to-be portion. So like, I have mixed feelings when it comes to got-to-be glue. I just feel like it just does not give me that secure hold, and it wouldn't because it's gel. It's not glue, it's gel. So what I like to do to get a more stickier texture is I take one of my eyelash holders, an empty one, and I'll pour some got-to-be gel in it, and then I'll spray the free spray and mix it together to get a really sticky consistency. And I just put it on my hairline. Now with got-to-be gel, because it's gel, it's okay to put it on your hairline. It's gel. I'm gonna keep saying that it's gel because a lot of you guys be like, it's not supposed to go on your hairline. It's gel, okay? So I'm putting it on my hairline. Not too much on my skin because I do have makeup on, and I just wanted to sit a little backwards anyway, back on my face anyway. And because I'm not using actual glue, this is a really quick, easy method for me, especially if I am going to remove my wigs at night. But this will definitely last me like a day or two. So I am putting that sticky mixture. As you can see, it's really sticky. I'd rather mix both of the products together and then instead of putting the got-to-be on one and then the free spray after. Like, I'm just gonna put them all on together, and they just come like a tacky texture, which I really love. So I did 2 layers of that, and after I applied it, I went through with some water or alcohol. I'm not too sure which one. Either one will work, and I just did a little bit of cleanup around my hairline if I got a little bit too messy. But this will dry a little bit fast, and it's going to get super tacky, which makes a good base to hold your lace down. So I got these scissors from Amazon. They are the zigzag scissors, and I've been trying them out with my lace fronts just to see like if I actually like how my lace looks versus the razors versus these scissors. And I actually like them both. The scissors are really cool, but I can't get that, specific customization that I need when it comes to my hairline because I have a hairline that dips low in certain areas. But if you have a perfectly round shaped hairline, this will be perfect for you. So I will link the scissors down below so you guys can actually purchase them because they are like $6, somewhere around that ballpark. and they're really good, and they'll just help you disguise your lace a little bit better. So My glue is very tacky at this point, so I'm just going to apply my lace and sit it to where I want it to. Don't push it in unless you are sure where you want your lace to sit, okay? Because as you can see, I am adjusting it, but because this is not like boat hold, I can push it in. It has a little bit of forgiveness, but you don't want to all the way push it in, and you want to make sure that you're not globbing the got-to-be on your hairline because it will seep through the lace. All right, so once I figure out where I want it to sit, okay, it looks pretty good to me, I'm going to start pushing it into the lace. My fingers are super clean. There's no oils. I like to clean my fingertips with alcohol. If you haven't known, or if you're new here, I like to clean my fingertips with alcohol, but just to make sure all the oils are off. And then I'm gonna just go with my blow dryer on cool and the warm setting, going back and forth and just drying it on down so I could go in and put the water on it to make it, you know, the little wet and wavy look. So I noticed that I had a little bit of excess lace left. These are huge scissors, like the scissors are big, so you're not going to get really precise work with this while it's on your head. So if you do, just get some regular scissors and cut the excess lace off. And this is just simple water in this water bottle. Do not wet your hairline because this has got to be glue, and got to be glue is water based, and if you wet it with water it will slide off. So as you can see, I'm wetting away from my hairline. I'm not touching my hairline with the water or anything like that because I do not want any type of lifting. And I'm gonna take my Denman brush and comb the water through the hair strands. Now what I do want to say is I really didn't receive any shedding with this. I mean, like, I got a couple of strands but not too much. This hair is definitely true to length. I did notice that the frontal portion of the hair of the wig was it had like shorter hairs in it, so I did just go ahead and utilize it and just cut a little bit more layers into that section into the side part because it looked way better that way. And it just reminded me of like a Kim Kardashian wet look, like short wet look, or it even gave me Michael Jackson vibes. I'm sorry, y'all, let me turn that off. But yeah, so like I really wasn't mad at that. Like, it was like, okay, it's cute. So I'm gonna just cut a little bit of baby hairs just in this section right here because I just thought it would look a little bit nice and not too baby hairish. I just wanted like a little swoopy swoop. So I'm gonna take my baby hair brush. I will also link this down below in the description box. And I'm just gonna swoop it a little bit, and that's it. So you guys know I love my Cantu wave and curl whip, so I'm gonna put a generous amount on my head. Do not push this into your lace because it will lift. All right, so I'm being careful as to where I'm putting this product, and I'm gonna just put a nice amount in and just massage it into the hair, being careful with me putting it into the lace. And this is going to help me define the waves, keep my hair tamed and everything like that. And I'm gonna just comb all that product through, and this is what my hair is looking like, and she's very cute. So as you can see, like I told you, I was cutting layers into it just so it could be like real smooth and a nice gradient. And girl, like, I am gonna wear this wig throughout the summer because it was really cute. Like, I don't know, like, it just gave me like real cute tease, like, I don't know. But I've been doing a lot of wet looks lately, and I've been enjoying them. So let me know, would you rock this wig? This is really short, it's simple and easy, and got to be glue did not let me down. I'll talk to you later. Bye, best friends.